Alright, YouTubers, it's yet another day in Ghana here, and the time is 11:27 p.m. right here in Ghana. It's almost midnight, but we are here again with another session of doing it so big and learning for educational purpose. You know the slogan, this is only for educational purpose but not for commercial use, and I'm here to guide you through most of the things we'll be doing, our upcoming tutorials that we'll be doing. Most of my subscribers are asking me that it's a long time we have heard something from you. What is happening in the virus system? This is what is happening. Currently, I'm a little bit busy running a program on Google Digital Skills, which is currently happening in Ghana here. And I'm an instructor for this particular training that is going on. I have a slide here. As you can see it, Google Digital Skills. That is a training we are currently doing in Ghana here, and we're expected to train schools on Google Digital Skills. And so that is what is taking much of my time. So I spend my time moving from district to district, village to village, community to community, and city to city, training Google Digital Skills to various schools in Ghana. So that is why you have not been hearing from me for this short while, but I pray that we'll be able to finish this and then I'll get alongside. But quite apart from that, we have where to get help and support, and then these are the places to get help and support. So they're saying that what else can you learn? There are 26 available topics that you can learn about on the website, which includes, and this is the link you can go, it is bit.ly/Winnie Lawyer. Winnie Lawyer is a local name here in Ghana. It's a Frafra word which means God has selected. Winnie Lawyer, God has selected. That's the meaning of it. So the company that is running this training, being sponsored by Google, is called Winnie Lawyer Company. That is in Accra, the capital of Ghana. And I'm currently in the northern part of Ghana, Upper East, and I'm entitled to handle the training within the Upper East region. So any training within the schools in Upper East region, I go there to do the training. And then see, you have what? Land your next job, which is easy. So landing on your dream job is possible if you have the right tools and skills up. In these videos, you will learn how to polish your CV and covering letters. It's very, very important. And then we also have introduction to code. And code is what powers so much of what we do online, and every day we see coding here and there and so forth and so on, and it is due that you should have a little bit of coding so that at least you will know what you are doing. You should only depend on the visible aspect of the web, but also tries to understand the invisible aspect of the web, and I believe it will help you. And as I said earlier on, these are more links you can go and learn. bit.ly/Winnie Lawyer. Winnie Lawyer, I said, is a local word which means God has selected. Now, quite apart from that, they have their Facebook pages here. I have here Winnie Lawyer Digital Skills page on Facebook. You can follow them. You can go through to get more links, and then you can subscribe to their Facebook, and then you get more updates. And this is the master brainer behind the whole thing. He's called Simon. He is actually the CEO of the company, and this is his official Facebook page. You can contact him too if you have further questions about this program. Kindly contact Simon on his Facebook page and leave him a message, and I believe he's a guy that answered his messages. He's up and doing on his web. Anytime you drop him a message, the next few seconds you get a reply back from there. So contact Simon on his official Facebook page, or you can contact them on Winnie Lawyer page on Facebook too as well, and then I believe you get the response you need, and all the questions that you have, Simon is ready to answer them for you. So YouTubers, you know the reason why I'm busy these days, but still I cannot leave you just like that. I'll keep on doing some few simple tutorials that is going to boost you up. Until we finish this program, I'll still be by you to make sure that within every week or within 2 weeks, I'll make sure that you have something new to learn on your own. Right, and then we also have our own official page here for the virus system, which is the one doing these tutorials for you to listen and then learn so much online. So also subscribe to our Facebook page, like us, and then hit our subscription page on the YouTube. You know we still want to grow, so don't forget that, and it's very important that you have to do that. So now let's get to upcoming tutorials that I'll be doing. I have some upcoming tutorials here on my desktop. Now, one of the tutorials that I'll be doing is Doctor Care. It's a website for doctors where you can book doctors, and then the front end You patients go there to book for doctors, and doctors attend to them. We have Edu app, which is also an educational application tool. We'll be learning how to install, which is a school management system. We have an Sendroid 5, which is an application for running your own online SMS this website where you can sell SMS. Customers can go to subscribe to send SMS online, like bulk SMS website of a tail. And we have Ekato school management system, which is also the second but latest version, which is 3.5, and I learned 5.4 is currently out, and this is 5.3, and I believe very soon I'll be updating you with the latest version, which is the 5.4, but currently this is 5.3, and I'll be taking you through how to install this 5.3 on your system. Then the next application we'll be looking at is Your Doctor. Your Doctor is also an online application to as well. You can install to manage doctors, and then who comes to book for a particular doctor to attend to them, and so forth and so on. Then the next one is WooDuck. It's a team for WooWonder application, and we'll be learning how to install this team and activate this team on WooWonder, and we call it the WooDuck. And then we have the Wonderful, which is also a team for WooWonder to be learning how to install that team to as well, and then activate that. I've been having informations on my social page that the virus system, I wanted to do tutorials on WooWonder, Android app, and then ISO app, and then desktop messenger, and then WooWonder timeline app as well. Right now they are all listed here. We have the desktop version, we have the messenger version, we have the timeline, and we have the iOS version 2 as well. But what is happening is this: all these applications 1, 2, 3, 4 right now, I need to install Visual Studio, which I can use to build them up and set them up for you, and that is going to take me time. And because of my Google digital training that I've been going around to do with the help of Winnie Lawyer in Ghana, time might not be by my side to be able to install Visual Studio to build them up and set them up for you. But I pray that with time I'll be able to fix them up for you. Then I'll show you how to install them, and then link them up, and then upload them to Play Stores where people can download them and install and start using them. So let's pray that I'll do that very soon. But these are the applications that will be running currently within the week and within 2 weeks ahead of time, so that I'll be installing them one after the other to show you how to do that, whilst we keep on waiting for the time being to execute, and then we keep on running more tutorials that comes on your way. But quite apart from that, I also have another quite nice tutorial here for you, which we are all been waiting and dying to see, and that is the almighty InLabs version 4, which has just been released. Wow, you can see it, version 4 is running on my system. The other time I went to their website to go through, and I said I like their reporting system because they have increased and they have improved on it gratefully. And then you can see what they have done. We have classroom report, students report, ID card report, and so forth and so on. This is the latest version of this application running on my local server right now, which I just have it, and it is latest. Please, I will do a tutorial on it, but for now let's keep it our heads down, and then just hit on the subscribe button if you like my channel and if you like what I'm doing. And please, like, most importantly, comments is widely needed for this channel, and subscription is needed, and you need to share this video. Somebody is sitting somewhere praying that I want to learn how to do this. Now it is by your share that that person can get that link to come to this channel to subscribe. So please share for this link to go viral, for others to be able to get the opportunity to learn, because what you benefit, please also let others benefit. So Jesus Christ said in the Bible, go ye therefore and preach the gospel to the whole world. So then I also ask you to share this link so that everybody in the world can learn what I'm doing here, because somebody sitting somewhere is dying to get these things to learn. So please, 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 I please again, share this link and let others get to subscribe and also learn. So I thank you for the time being, and these are the upcoming tutorials I'll be doing for you. So I pray that you still stick by me, and then for the time being, whilst we roll on with the tutorial one after the other, I pray that till we meet again. So I'll call this a day, and thank you for your time, And then I want to thank all my subscribers around the world for keeping locked with me and always sending me inbox messages for help. And I'm always glad and happy to help them at any time I can. I will always do everything in my capacity to help you. That is, if it is within my capacity. I'm not promising you. Remember that. Because promises, if you break a promises, the punishment is very heavy. So I'm only giving you my words. I'm not promising. I will help if I'm able to do that in my capacity. But I'm not promising you that I will do it. Yeah. I'm not promising you because I know the consequences of breaking a promise. So I don't promise anybody in life. That is one thing I hate in my life. I don't promise. I will only give you my words, but I can't promise you, right? Stay by, and then I hope more tutorials will come on your way. But till then, let's keep the dial locked, and then keep sharing the videos, keep commenting, and keep hitting the like button for the channel to grow. So thank you for your time being spent.